Hello everyone, this is our new bash plate for the Transalp 600, 650 and 700. Starting from the bottom, it now is 4 mm, not 3 mm like before, and we welded TIG. It's TIG welded in and out, okay? Then we have reinforced supports, swinging and sliding, very easy to put on. And also this special nut that doesn't spin, you see, so you can easily remove, undo and tighten. It's 8 mm instead of 6 mm, so much stronger. Okay, then we have this slit here, so if you wear off-road boots you don't have a problem. Okay, then we have this slit for crash bars clamp that usually comes here. Okay, also on this side. Okay, and the oil, of course, the oil filter is also very thin metal, and the bash plate comes up to here, so it protects also the oil filter.